Why to choose BST over a traditional engineering college? You must be thinking, why not just choose a traditional engineering college? And it's a fair question. So today, let's understand this step by step. What the traditional approach looks like, where it falls short, and why BST exists in the first place. The traditional engineering approach and the problem. In most traditional engineering colleges, the approach is very similar. Heavy focus on theory, fixed 15-16-year-old curriculum, no exposure to real world industry problems, practical learning pushed to the last year. Faculty is from research background. They don't have any real engineering tech background. And the result, students spend 3-4 years studying, but when placements start, many still feel underprepared and pressured because throughout their college life, they are just focusing on theory, marks, and just passing exams. But companies don't hire marks, they hire problem solvers with practical skills. So students graduate with a degree but often without the skills the industry actually needs. And this gap between the education and industry expectations is the real problem. And that is what we fix at Boscoder School of Technology. We carefully focus on these things. First, the curriculum is industry aligned curriculum. The curriculum at Boscoder School of Technology is designed around what the industry actually needs and hires for. It's built by engineers who have worked in the industry so they know what students should study, what kind of projects matter, what skills companies look for when hiring. Also, industry immersion is built into the curriculum. One of the biggest differences at BST is the industry immersion. Industry exposure is not optional or added later, it's part of the curriculum itself. So, in the last year, students go to real industry for paid internships and work on industry aligned projects, learn tools and technologies used in the company by the company, get mentored by professionals and real experiences. Because of this, students don't need a separate placement preparation phase. They become industry ready naturally, making placements far more achievable. Second is faculty from top tech companies. At Boscoder School of Technology, we strongly believe that only an engineer can truly shape another engineer. That's why learning is guided by engineers who have worked in top tech companies in their past and who understand how engineering work in the real world, what it takes to grow in the tech career, how to mentor students beyond textbook. At Boscoder School of Technology, education is not just about studying harder, it's about growing better. We give equal importance to academic learning, physical well-being, mental and emotional health. Located in Bangalore's Tech Park ecosystem, the campus environment supports both professional growth and personal balance. Lastly, one of the most important point BST offers is a recognized BTech degree along with strong support in tech companies. We have 500 plus hiring partners, guidance for higher studies in India and abroad, opportunities to explore entrepreneurship. All of this is delivered through an academic affiliation with SVYASA deemed to be university, ensuring both credibility and outcomes. So when you compare the two, traditional colleges often focuses on completing syllabus, exams and grades, limited real world exposure, and BST focuses on building real skills, industry readiness, and career outcomes. In today's world, a degree alone is not enough. What truly matters is how well you can apply what you learn, how prepared you are for real jobs, how quickly you can grow after graduation. BST is built for students who want more than just an engineering degree. They want career that's future ready. That's why choosing Boscoder School of Technology over any other traditional college is worth it.